back another VCR video.
My sister
Explain
said hi.
we're the viewers of it. And let's see what happens.